This is how your bike comes out of the box. Just like this, you take off all the packaging and your bike is here. You get a little bag with all your little parts in. So you take the very first one and you get to here. What you'll just do is you'll unloosen that, keep the wheel straight and set this straight. That's the hardest part. If you can get that, you've set up your bike basically. You then take the same Allen key and you tighten this. Now tighten this as tight, almost as tight as you can. It must be very tight. Then you come down to your second size Allen key, which is this one, and you come to the back of the screen here and you unloosen these 4 bolts. So you'd unloosen all 4 of these, and once those are all unloosened, you will then set your handlebars plus minus where you like them. So you'll just say, okay, that's about where I like it, and then you'll just tighten those 4 bolts really tight. So set them the way that you like and just tighten all 4 bolts as tightly as you can. The second last step you do is you come here, and if you like it the way you like it, great. Otherwise, if you want to adjust this setting, you just undo this little bolt here, and you'll see sort of little angles, and you can set those however you want. If you want them higher, if you want them lower, that's where you set it, and then you tighten that. And make sure you tighten this really tight. It's to 12 to 13 Newton meters of pressure, which is basically almost as tight as you can tighten it. The last little section, what you do is you come down with your screwdriver and you'll bring the screen forward. So hold down with your thumbs, and you can actually you can tilt this forward to about 45 degrees. Then make sure that your handlebars are tight. Back here again, make sure these are all nice and snug, and also tighten them almost as tight as you can. And then you use your screwdriver to come underneath here, and then you'll just tighten these screws, and not too tight, just a little bit, and you tighten that screw nicely, and then your bike is ready to ride. You turn it on here, and the throttle is live, and off you go riding. If you want to press pedal assist on, you hold it down button, pedal assist is on, and there's 5 levels of assist, and that means that your assist is on and your throttle's on. Go and enjoy. Thank you.